Welcome to our automation testing channel. Today I will talk about Google Antigravity, how to create a Cypress test. The content comes from the Google Antigravity itself introduction. What is Google Antigravity? An AI-powered agentic integrated developmental environmental IDE released by Google in late 25, designed for the engine-first software development. It functions as the fork of the VS Code, allowing users to build, test, and deploy full applications using natural language, with AI autonomous engines handle coding, terminal commands, and browser-based debugging. Key aspects: engine development. Antigravity acts as the autonomous engine, managing projects, writing code, and interacting based on the user feedback. Missile control interface. The platform acts as a command center where the AI engine can operate across the editor, terminal, and built-in browser seamlessly to handle complex tasks. Workflow integration. It allows for the verbal coding, where the user describes their goal in plain English, and the AI handles the implementation, debugging, and testing. Key features: autonomous engine capable of the planning, coding, and debugging independently. Browser control uses the fully controlled browser instance for testing. Model support built around Gemini 3, 2.5, and support other models like Claude 3.5, Sonnet. Okay, I will download and install Antigravity. From Google, you can find the Antigravity, and download for me is Windows, so download Windows this version. After download, you can see is like this one. After this finish and get this one, so I can double click and install it. So you accept. Okay, next. After download install Antigravity, I can open this application. So first you go to the file. You can open the window or folder or open the file. I open one of the folder is test3. So at first time I ask engine create automation test, Cypress automation test like this one. This is the second time I ask. First time the engine asked me many of the questions you can process or something change. I just use the default setting, so that it's run, that is the build. And this is second time I ask engine to build the test. So this is a test like a description block, also each for the test. So this is I asked to do is go to the home page, and this is for the type the golf course tag for search. This is a select country and list the golf course. So generally, the engine just you give the like command like your English description, it can follow the your requirement, build the separate test. I not change any default setting, so just this time is just let it run for the default setting. Now I will open the engine manager. Then I want to get the new build for the test. So I copy paste something here. Yeah, this is my ask the engine to do. First read the test 3 and then add a new reverse the test script. This is test script includes 3 tests. One is go to the web page, make sure the page title is correct. Second is go to the golf course, search tag B for the search. Another one is go to the golf course and select a country and list all the golf course in that country. So I can let it send to engine build right now. So it's in a process, you can see here. You have many of the things here. You can say engine is used the browser test. And also here is he followed my idea to build the Cypress test. So allow you to do. This is write a test. Is continue build. So this is a sync. Test sequence. Okay, this is a writer test. Accept. So it's run test engine. So 3 tests pass. This is walk through. You can open and read it. So this is a walkthrough. So we check this here. You see here is another test, reverse. So I open this one. You can read like a description. I ask reverse. So this is go to here. You see here is like the title should this title. Second, go to this one and go to the golf course. This is a URL should include golf. You can see here he find the search string. If you go to my my home page, you can find this inbox is the same like the search string. So he here and click and tag B and click the search button. So this is should a table list all of the program, all of the golf course. And another test, go to the golf course, and here is also check and select, this is a country current field, and select Columbia and click filter button. So this is a list all of the golf course in Columbia. So this is a test. So from our read the test, Cypress test is very standable and also read very step clearly and also put comments here. So that is great for the coding, yeah, for coding the Cypress test. I'll run test from a terminal. So copy this command. You see first test pass, second test pass. So I run from the front. I run this one. Yeah, 3 test pass. Thank you for your watching the video. Hope today's content can help you. If you want to follow us update, please subscribe. See you next time.